Markets on Air, with a focus on the Asia-Pacific region. Market of the Future. At this year's Asia-Pacific Conference on German Business in Hong Kong, presentations by high-ranking officials underscored the close business ties between Germany and the Asia-Pacific region.
For trade and investment to flourish, the most important prerequisites are trust and confidence. Companies must be able to trust that there is legal certainty, that the rule of law applies, that the political situation is stable, and they are free to thrive.
The region makes up an enormous market with wide-ranging economic conditions, from highly developed economies to less developed countries with lots of potential for growth. Because of its sheer size, China remains the #1 driver of growth in the Asia-Pacific region, followed by India, which has really come a long way, especially this year. And then comes ASEAN, which we consider the third largest growth region in this part of the world. Last year, the value of goods exchanged between Germany and the Asia-Pacific region reached 340 billion euros, a record amount. And Germany is gaining ground as a business location, according to Germany Trade and Invest. German businesses are calling for open borders and a free exchange of goods and services. Globalization is a way to create jobs around the world, and that's why it's so important to gather here with our Asian colleagues and with Asian government representatives. 1,000 participants from around the world took part in this year's Asia-Pacific Conference, another record and a clear sign of the growing importance of Asian markets.
Hong Kong. German firm builds massive tunnel. Company owner Martin Herrenknecht is here to see how construction is progressing. The tunnel will connect Hong Kong Airport with the mainland. Most of the work is being done by a Herrenknecht tunnel boring machine.
It's the largest machine of its kind in the world. It's more than 17 meters in diameter, and we used it for the first 1.2 kilometers. It's incredible to realize that we're actually drilling a road tunnel. We had to create an artificial island to set up the machine. The tunnel boring machine weighs almost 3,000 tons. It's gigantic.
Several lanes of traffic will run through these shafts. The tunnel is costing 1.8 billion euros to build. It's one of the largest infrastructure projects currently underway in Hong Kong.
Good morning.
The project is a Franco-Chinese joint venture with technology made in Germany. Success relies on international cooperation. Martin Herrenknecht knows his company needs to keep innovating to stay competitive. He hopes to build many more tunnels in China.
€7.6 billion. That's the value of goods and services exchanged between Germany and Hong Kong last year. Germany is Hong Kong's biggest European trading partner. Around 600 German firms do business in Hong Kong, which serves as an important gateway to the lucrative Chinese market.
Looser data protection. German Chancellor Angela Merkel is calling for less restrictive data protection laws in Germany in order to compete with US internet companies. Speaking at an IT summit in Saarbrücken, Merkel said Germany's policy of minimizing the collection of personal data has reached its limits. She added that a shift in Germany's approach to online privacy is now necessary to ensure the digital future of the German economy.
German companies optimistic. Germany's business climate has taken an unexpected turn for the better, reaching a 2.5-year high, according to the Munich-based IFO Institute. The IFO Business Climate Index plunged in the summer months after the UK voted to leave the European Union, but the index has been rising ever since. The IFO index is based on a monthly survey of around 7,000 business executives in Germany. Researchers ask them to rate the current and future business prospects of their firms.
Thüringen. Everyone in Germany has heard of bratwurst from Thüringen. But the state has a lot more to offer than sausage. Thüringen's central location and highly developed infrastructure make it an ideal business location. From here, trucks can deliver goods to any city in Germany in fewer than 8 hours. Thüringen is one of Germany's smaller states, with just 2.2 million inhabitants. The state capital Erfurt isn't far from Jena and Weimar, home to renowned companies such as Zeiss Optics, Bosch and Zalando. Thüringen has the highest number of industrial firms per capita in Germany, ahead of Baden-Württemberg. And it boasts the lowest unemployment rate among Eastern German states. Both businesses and skilled workers are attracted to Thüringen because of its high quality of life and its mouth-watering bratwurst. And that was Markets on Air.